I'm Chris Bagg from Chris Bagg Coaching Group, and a lot of people ask me, why should I get a power meter in the first place? What's it going to do for me? So a power meter is a real-time measurement of the work that you're doing right at that particular moment. So it really lets you know how much effort you're putting into your pedaling. You pedal harder, that's going to be reflected in the power meter right then and there. This is different from heart rate training, which a lot of you guys might already be familiar with. The problem with heart rate is that if you pedal harder, the monitor is not going to catch up for 90 seconds to 2 minutes. It's a good indicator of the entire workout, but not exactly what's going on right at that second. A heart rate monitor is like this. Big picture, not very detailed, useful, but definitely more you could do. Whereas a power meter is like this. Always updating, you always know where you are, perfect indication of where you are in the world. So what's great about tracking your effort is you can go out for a bike ride, see how much power you generated, and then the next time you go and do that ride, you can see if you can put out more power, which means that you are getting fitter and faster. More power means more fitness. Or if you're competitive, you can see what your friends are doing on that particular ride or that local climb, and you can try and beat them, which is always fun. So, buy a power meter, beat your friends.